What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your mass airflow sensor. Should you be concerned about cleaning your mass airflow sensor? Well, if you're running a high performance air filter like a K&N or some other type of aftermarket that allows more airflow, then it's probably a good idea. The way they're able to achieve that higher airflow, it's probably not blocking as many contaminants as a cheaper filter would. When do you want to clean your mass airflow sensor? Well, I usually do it when I clean my air filter and I re-oil it. So I usually clean my air filter first and then run it for a couple hundred miles, and then I'll go and clean my mass airflow sensor just in case some of the oil, maybe you over oiled it and some of the oil got sucked in there. You never know. The components on these trucks these days are all electronic and they can be very sensitive. What you first want to do is disconnect the negative side of the battery. That way, after you clean it, put it back in, the computer will relearn and it should run smoother. Here's the factory box for my 2020 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter. Take you a T15 and loosen the screws. Now that the screws are out, you would normally have a connection here, so you would take that loose and then slide this straight out. So what I have here is the CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner. I usually set the mass airflow sensor on a paper towel. Now we're going to take this and you want to spray just all the components. And that's pretty much it. This stuff dries pretty quick, so what I'll do is I'll just set it on that paper towel until it's finished drying. Now that it's finished drying, you just want to slide it right back in and make sure you be careful. Now you just want to put the screws back in, make sure you hand tighten it until it stops. And then you would take your clip and just clip it right back. Is this something you absolutely have to do? No, not really, but why not go ahead and clean it when it's so easy to do? That way you can make sure your truck is running at its peak performance and you're not worried about losing any power or gas mileage. So if your vehicle's running sluggish or you think you've lost some power, maybe some gas mileage, try cleaning the mass airflow sensor when you clean your air filter. I appreciate y'all watching this short video. If it helped you out, hit the like. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.